Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In these videos, I will be showing you how to install Kali Linux on VMware. So let's start it. First you need to open any browser and search Kali Linux. Go to the first website and click to download button. After that you can show it virtual machine. I have to click virtual machine. It will start it to download.
A few moments later.
After that the download has been completed. Then we need to download VMware. So I will download VMware download to search it. After that, the first link, go to this link and scroll to download VMware Workstation Pro 17. Here it is. I click it. After that, you can be registered and sign out in this place. So I will be give this software for you. Description below. Then click to install this VMware. The installation processing has been started. Then click it and next. Then next, again next, also our install processing has been started. Completed. Then open VMware. Then click to use personal use it. Then continue. Then finish. Yes, our VMware Station Pro has been installed. Then we'll go to Struck on Kali Linux. Again, go to the browser and download 7-zip. Then go to file, then go to first website and go to the download 7-zip of your architecture. Our download complete, then install it. Go to the run button. Then install it. After that install, then close it and go to the Kali Linux folder and extract the file. Extract the file and go to OK. It will be take too many time to extract the Kali Linux ISO. Then go to the folder and go to the VMware Station file, then OK it. Then also play to modify it. Then processor, I will select my processor to 1. Number of processor, then memories, I will select memory 4 GB. Okay. Alright. Then okay. After that, the run button is been okay. Yes, our Kali Linux has been opened it. It is pre-installed, so we do not need any installation. I will go to full screen to Kali Linux machine on VMware. Our Kali Linux default password username is Kali and password is also Kali. Then I copy it and paste it, then log in. Congratulations, our Kali is been successfully installed on VMware. Then we need to change wallpaper. Yes, and we need to update on our system. So let's start it. Open the terminal. And type sudo apt update. Its command also used to package update and password also Kali, then hit enter. It will be take too many time to update on package on Kali Linux. Okay, then we can check it which package updating. Copy this code and paste it. Hit enter. Here it is. There are many packages are update on our system. There are many packages listed. Okay, then close it and put again open this terminal. Then type sudo apt -get update. Then password is Kali. Yes, and get, and that we need to upgrade in our system. Then we need to upgrade. Here it is the permission, press Y and hit enter. Our system also upgraded. This process will be taking too much time. Hit it. After that its update has been completed, that I will be downloading Kali Linux wallpaper on official repository. Go to the Firefox on Kali Linux browser. Go to About option and go to the wallpaper. Click it. After that you can see the community wallpaper. Official Kali repository. Yes. Copy this link. And go to again open your terminal and paste it. I'll be paste it Ctrl Shift V. Then again type password. Then hit enter. The process will be started to download many wallpaper on our Kali Linux system. That's completed this process. Go to the wallpaper option. Which wallpaper is downloaded? There are many wallpaper is downloaded on our Kali Linux system. I can choose one of many more wallpaper. I can choose it to check down which wallpaper is the best. Yes, it's look like a good, and I can change it. Yes, it's look like a beautiful, and also change it. The wallpaper, not bad. It's other wallpaper. Also I change it. Yes, it's look like a good. Then I set it.